Welcome. In front of me is a UMIDIGI A3, and today I'll show you how to put this device into test mode. To get started, you will need to hold the power key and simply select power off. And when the device shuts off, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down. So let's do that right now. Power key, volume down. And as you can see, once you see the UMIDIGI logo, hold it for a couple more seconds and then let go. If you hold it for too long, the device will basically force restart, so that will be too long, so try to hold it a little bit shorter. But once you boot into the test mode here, which is in here called factory mode, you can basically run tests from here, so you have automatic tests and manual ones. Now, unfortunately, only volume down works to scroll, so you have to basically scroll all the way through to cycle back. Volume up does nothing. So if I select, for instance, manual test, I will need to press power key to confirm it. And here we have, for instance, keys, volume up, volume down, power. So boom, 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 that's done. Then CPU test, free mode, test pass, fail. So this will basically run a CPU test and tell you if it fails, and it basically will cycle through all of them and all of different components of the device to test them. So that is how you access this. Now, once you're ready to leave, you can either go through all of these or simply hold the power key and wait for basically keep holding it till the device shuts off. There we go. As you can see, it turned off, and you can let go, and it will now boot back up into Android. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.